Refugees are from. I am Black Raven. With me Castro and James.
سكتنا كتير عن العالم يلي عارضونا، ما حدا عم يتقبل هالشي. وهي الغنية لكل اللي عم يغني راب ويشوهوا.
You wanna challenge us? Hey, that's bad news for you, for him and your whole crew. You can't fuck with us, cause in God we trust. If you just rob his team, you can see us in your dream. I'm sick when I'm wrong and the thing that I said. The lyrics I'm spitting like a bullet to your head. Yeah, I know that my face look a little red, but don't think that I'm scared. I'm just embarrassed for you, cause I'm button some bitches and we look like a motherfucker full stool shit. You're wrong and very witty, and everyone knows you lyrics are shitty. Just know refugees robbers come and kill you. By lyrics by rhyme, by every song we do. I'm a hero, I'm a Castro.
يلا ارمي المايك لا خلي العالم تسمع.
كل انسان انا من راب ما بيشبع. عم غني ومكان واسمي راح يلمع. لاجئين الراب بسمعك كل ما بيسمع. لما تسمع بلاك ريفن انت اللي حتفرح. والراب من خوفه مني بروح بيسحب حالنا